Okay, I messed up. I forgot to show you a couple things. Pretty cool stuff. So, this is our garden, right? Well, it's not our garden. We've got a lot of gardening stuff coming, right? So there's 2 cabins. Now, this is I don't know, we've talked a little bit about it, but we put in 8 trees. So the 2 on the end, both ends are apple, 2 different apples. So there's 4 different apples, and then these are both peaches and then pears in the back. 2 types of pears and 2 types of peaches. And then you can see these in the middle here. That is blueberry, and there's 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going to get put in. We are working on chopping all this down. Those of you that know us and how we garden, we do permaculture or lasagna gardening, so it's layers, and then it's going to end up being topped with mulch. So everything we're putting in here, grass trimmings, we're killing the grass. This needs to all be chopped down. This actually helps. The tent actually helps kill it. That's what happened over here. You can see how good. It just looks like dirt almost. And it's not coming back because it just really fries it good. So, but all these pots that are here are all going to be planted here. Some of them will probably just be here this year, and that'll be it. But for the most part, this is going to be her. Oh, she's got a name. She calls it. But multiple different types of vegetation, all growing symbiotically together. The name of it's escaping me. And then, so what happened back here? So that's exciting because that's all. It's a food forest. That's it. That's the magic word. So that's what this is, basically this whole thing. And this can grow. We can make this bigger, as you know. Either way, this all 3 sides, not the road obviously, but we can make it bigger. And then, so back here, we've talked sometimes about. We've got a rain catchment video. It's in multiple pieces that I go through the entire rain catchment and what happened here. That's what this is. And then underneath, we're actually using it as temporary storage as we move things out of the container into back here, just to keep it safe from rain, which it works quite well as like that. And then this is actually going to end up being an outdoor kitchen up against the back. There's going to be a table, and then we're going to have a sink in the middle. And then this will just be an outdoor kitchen, mainly for canning and that kind of thing, but bulk activity. So sometimes I've talked about, I think one time I showed you this. We had a guy, a neighbor, that had a Kubota. Oh, I can't remember what they said the name of the tool was, but it was like a big grinder wheel. And he just plowed through all of this. And look, it's awesome. Cleared it all out. And this is a lot of space. And she actually came over here today and was just sitting. And it's just so peaceful. Once that generator isn't running all the time, it's just awesome. You can see there it goes down. And then it just keeps going down, what we call the hole down there. And then there's another access point up here. If we walk around and by the container and back in that little cubby hole back there, and then go walk down, right down through there on the other side of this, because this is a ridge, and it goes down into what we call the hole. So, but yeah, look at this. This was awesome. A lot of work just going through here. So now we just want to clean it up back here. It's very park-like. It's so much cooler in here. The canopy is just gorgeous. And you can see it's nice. So Lovey likes it too. Yes. Clearly, she likes it. All right, so that was my mistake. So that was part 2. Hope you enjoyed part 1. I'm gonna go now. I really have to go do the carpet because I got to move some stuff in there. I got to start moving a bed and our desk, our office. I gotta start moving some big stuff. So have a great night. See ya.